Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. Today I am in Welch, Oklahoma, heading to Eubanks Equipment for their open house. Eubanks Equipment is a fairly new Deutz Fahr dealer, so I have not been here yet, but I was asked to come help with their open house. They're expecting a lot of people, so here we go. Eubanks has two locations, one in Anderson, Missouri, which they had their open house there a couple Saturdays ago. I was unable to make that one. And then they have this one here in Welch, Oklahoma. Actually, they are quite a ways north of Welch, Oklahoma, and they are very close to the Kansas state line. In fact, as you look at that sign, you can see Kansas right there in the background. Where Eubanks is located is huge hay and cattle country, as you can see by the inventory they carry here at the dealership. So in addition to Deutz Fahr tractors, they are a huge Vermeer dealer for Vermeer hay tools. They sell Manitou, Deweys, Bushwhacker mowers, Aeroquip cattle handling equipment, Bad Boy, and Grasshopper zero-turn mowers. The event here at their Welch, Oklahoma location was held on Saturday morning, April 13th. I got here about 7:30 in the morning. It was going to start around 8 o'clock and go till noon. They were feeding breakfast. Till it was all said and done, they figured they had over 700 people here through the doors. I even met quite a few people that watch me on YouTube. Now the thing I like about this video is a lot of the videos I do have been in the Midwest, corn and soybean country. This is a whole different location, whole different kind of dealership. You can tell by the equipment they carry. So I thought it was worthy to bring here to the YouTube channel just to show you how agriculture is so different depending on the area you're in. Now don't get me wrong, there's definitely some corn grown in this area, especially when you just get north of here right into Kansas. There was quite a few cornfields that were already planted, and the corn was actually poking out of the ground. Now they had just got some rain here right before the open house, so there was not very much going on at all. And if I was a betting man, I would venture to say there will definitely be some future videos coming here featuring Deutz Fahr tractors and Vermeer hay tools. I mean, after all, it's only a short 9-hour and 20-minute drive from this driveway to my driveway in Ohio. They put on a pretty good feed here too. So since this was held in the morning, they did breakfast, but they were smoking sausage, eggs, pancakes, fruit, coffee, just a pretty good deal. In addition to the other equipment lines I mentioned earlier, they also sell Great Plains and Meyer, and there might be a couple others I missed. This family not only has the two dealerships, they also farm and raise cattle. I spent the majority of the morning out here with the Deutz Fahr tractors talking to people. So in the lineup right here, starting at the other end, they had a 4080 open station with a loader, a 5080 cabin loader, a 5105 with a loader, a 6135 with the TTV transmission, a 6155 with a loader, and then the 8280 here on the end. We'll take another walk back the other way and check them out from this side. Also away from this lineup, they had their 6175 Deutz Fahr tractor with the loader that they actually bought for their farm, and then they had a 5125 inside the building by the brochure table. Now let's venture in here and see what's going on inside. On my trip out here, I did stop at their Anderson, Missouri location, which is located south of Joplin, so it's about 70 miles between their two locations, and here's an aerial view of the Anderson, Missouri store. Not a real long video, but thanks for watching. Feel free to go down there and hit that like button and leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I'd really appreciate if you'd hit that subscribe button, and you can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and hopefully I'll get back here in the summertime for some haymaking videos.